The formation of roto-molding products involves the following processes: measuring the weight of feed according to the thickness of product walls, pouring powder materials onto the surface of the mold, closing the mold, fixating the mold shortcut, pushing the mold into the stove, heating natural gas and turning the mold 360 degrees along the machine's vertical axis for heating, taking off the mold when the temperature reaches the required limit. Now products can be taken out as an integrated whole. Next, the product is processed, cut, fabricated, foamed, and assembled.